What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to HD Tech. And guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing why you should buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in 2020. Well guys, it has only been 2 months since I purchased the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but I thought to sell that smartphone and buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Well guys, in simple words, take example. Suppose if you want to buy any smartphone below $400 or below 30,000 rupees, you have only one recommendation, and that is to buy the latest mid-range phone. But there is also the other option, and that is to buy a couple of years old flagship phone, because at the end of the day the things that you get with the flagship phone are way better than the mid-range phones. Well guys, simply with this smartphone you are getting all of the Samsung features. You are talking about S Pen, you are talking about IP68 water and dust rating, and overall a very premium design, and that too with wireless charging. So these kind of features are not available in the mid-range phone. And also because it is a flagship phone, Samsung has spent that much time as possible behind the optimization. So even if it doesn't have the latest software support, but still the level of optimization is up to the point. And guys, like this only, in simple words, buying a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is, I think, a very clever decision. Take my example. I'm a content creator, so I of course need a higher storage variant. So my earlier Samsung Galaxy Note 8 was of 64 gigabytes, but this one is of 128 gigabytes, and overall with this kind of smartphone I am truly satisfied. Well, Samsung's Note lineup is famous for all of the additional features, like with the help of S Pens you can sign any documents, and overall if you are a student then it is a very useful feature, because majority amount of people have never used a smartphone with an inbuilt stylus, so they feel like what drastic difference will a stylus make. But with this kind of device it is actually a deal breaker, and that is the only reason why this smartphone is different than any other Samsung smartphone. And overall with the help of Samsung software you are getting all of the additional features, and also you can use the S Pen to take selfies, so you can use it as a remote control. And overall in terms of the software specifications it is up to the point, and in terms of the hardware also in 2020 it is pretty good. Well guys, I can export 4K videos with the help of this device, so in terms of the performance it is no problem at all. And now comes the best part about this phone, and that is the overall display. Well guys, with this phone you are getting a 1440p resolution display. Well, don't get me wrong, by no means this display is perfect. It is still a 60Hz panel, but the overall color to contrast ratio is up to the point, and at the end of the day it is a Samsung's display. So in terms of the vivid colors and all of the HDR capabilities, it is up to the point. And the next feature is regarding the cameras. Well guys, with the Samsung's S lineup, the S9 and the Note 9, you are talking about adjustable aperture. So if you enter into low light mode, then the aperture gets increased, because of which more light can enter into the sensor, and hence you can get clear photos. So technically there is night mode in this phone, but the main optimization is not through complete software but also with the help of a new hardware. And overall it is having the telephoto lens, it is having a primary sensor, and at the end of the day you kind of forget it, because I'm personally using it with Google camera, and of course Google's processing power is up to the point. Like any smartphone or any Android phone that I use, I of course install the Google Camera APK. And overall the only reason why I'm making this video is very simple. Well guys, majority amount of students want to buy a new smartphone, but their budget is kind of in the mid-range category, so the Samsung Galaxy Note is the best device out there. Well, obviously the OnePlus Nord and all of the mid-range phones will be great in terms of processing, but if you're a student, then having a S Pen, having a nice battery life, having a very nice premium build quality, all of these factors truly matter. And even if you want to buy this phone for gaming or any intensive task, it will be a champion. Well guys, my bottom conclusion is very simple. Well guys, obviously any day I will prefer a old flagship phone rather than a new mid-range phone, and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is one of the best mid-range phones out there. In India you can get this below 30,000 rupees, and in United States you can get it below $400. So definitely this is my best pick. Well, this is everything which I wanted to include in my today's video. And guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video, and guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.